How to buy global DePIN chain token. So this token came under the symbol of DeepSeek. So this token, it's one of DeepSeek tokens. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, as you can see, click on marks here. Now select the Radium, the pair here, as you can see. Now after that, click on trade on Radium. So after that, what you need to do, so after you open the Radium, click on connect wallet. So select your wallet. For that I will use the Bitget wallet. So after you connect your wallet to Radium, if you don't see the token here, click on it and now go back and copy the token address, paste it here, and you will be able to find the token. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see, as you can see, how much you will receive in that token. Click on more info to read all of that information here, and if you are ready to go, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Radium. So this is how to buy a global DePIN chain that's called DeepSeek token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.